Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this perspective text on Canva. So here you can just add the image or the background first to add the perspective text. For example, I'm going to add text in here, this one right here, and you can just first go to apps and find the type craft apps on Canva. Let's just this one, type craft, and open the apps. Just click on the apps and click on open. So by using this type craft, you can create tags, customize it with pen, wrap, twist, and unique tags, any unique tags for your creation. So just open it and wait for it to load. Okay, so here there are some settings that you can adjust: the font, style, colors, and mirror points. So here I'm going to change the text first and write first active, for example. You can change the font to how you like it. Here I'm going to change it into this one. Okay, go back, and here you can click on add element to design. Let's change the color into white. Click on update element. Here I'm going to put the text here first, and you can see in the edit shape, this is how you can create the perspective text. So you can just play with these toggles in here to change the positions of the text. So just drag it just like this, one by one, until you find the shape that you want. Let's try to update the elements first to see if it fits. Okay, I need to make it smaller, I think. So just adjust it to how you like it until you find the perfect uh, shape or perspective. And to see if it fits, you can click on update elements again. Okay, I think it's enough. Here you can click on update elements again if there's any changes, and here you can also change the opacity if you want to. So that's how you can create perspective text. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on